the fish. Like the fish, this is one goldfish, another goldfish, there's another goldfish, another goldfish. Don't forget that goldfish, and then have another goldfish. What else? Oh, there's suckerfish. That's a suckerfish there. There's another one there. I have those two little things at the back. And what else have I got in here? Should be. Yeah, there's a shark in there. Little shark. There's. Oh yeah. So fishing in the back. What else? I have this is one of my bearded dragons. There's another bearded dragon. Hold on. Sorry, the lighting is horrible. Hold on. Sorry, let's get the top. Yeah, he's bearded dragon. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragon. He's my Velveteen Bunny. Velveteen Bunny Lou. Big one. Here are our two little babies. We have Willow, the brown one, and we have the grey one, Sky. They're also two little velvets. Here we have Coda. She's also a velvet bunny. She's the mother. Here's one of her babies. Tinge one. And then we have a little grey one down there. What else have we got? We have these two little rainbow finch things. What else do we have? Yeah, bunnies. We have a Shar-Pei with Coco. She's bonkers one. We have two ringnecks, and there should be, yeah, rainbow lorikeet. And there's that, if you see that light down there, there's a bird cage filled with these. Yeah. Yeah, I've got a little tray. So yeah, this is the video of my animals.